I'm here at Ikoyi, the heart of Lagos, in a compound that sits two schools that houses over 500 children. One of our intervention programs at the Special Foundation is the School Build program, where we identify schools that have dilapidated buildings and renovate these structures for the children. We believe that children should be able to learn in a conducive environment, and which is why we have our School Build program. Here at Hope Primary School, we have 3 classroom blocks and a library that is dilapidated. We are currently committing to renovate the library for the children here at Hope Primary School and Imeti Primary School. The projects will be organized and coordinated by one of our partners, Tempunges, ensuring that the materials on site that the workmen will be using is safe for the children to use. At the end of the day, we are committed to making sure that children have a thriving, safe and healthy environment for them to learn, for them to do their homeworks, and for them to explore knowledge as far and wide as they could imagine. And now, the library is ready for use. Welcome to Oasis Library.
As I swung open the doors to the Oasis Library, I couldn't help but grin at the beautiful windows, keeping out mosquitoes and insects while breeze filtered in, accompanied by the gentle hums of brand new fans. The beautiful paints on the walls seemed to attract readers in. Witnessing the shock and the thrill on the faces of the students as they entered the transformed library was truly heartwarming. It was clear that the efforts put into the renovations had paid off as the excitement and curiosity filled the library. Thanks to our amazing partners and donors, the Oasis Library now has a variety of exciting new books waiting to be discovered by eager readers.
I'm happy. My library is in good condition and very conducive for the pupils to sit and read their books. I'm very happy for all that is done here. I'm grateful. Before now, we cannot even come close to this building. But now we can enter the library, we can sit down to read. I am really grateful for all that is done here. Special Foundation, on behalf of the parents, the teachers, the pupils of Hope Primary School, we say we are really grateful for the work that you have done here. Thank you very much.
I'm very excited and happy with what I've seen today. Through the help of all the donors and sponsors in Special Foundation,
I think this is a very good addition to the Hope Primary School. And we're hoping that the kids get to enjoy this for as long as possible.
It's really impressive seeing the kids. I'm really happy that the Special Foundation has set up this renovation of this library and has completed it.
The before and the after views are just amazing. From the rooftop, to the flooring, to the furniture, to the new electricity supplies. It's just such a great feeling to be here and see the changes that have taken place.
So we'd like to say thank you to our partners for the renovation project that was done at this school through the partnership contribution.
To our invaluable partners and donors who made this transformation possible, we extend our deepest gratitude. Your contributions have not only revitalized this space, but have also ignited a renewed passion for learning